So today class topic is quadratic expression and equation. Quadratic expression and equation. So first we need to understand some formulas of quadratic, or we can say how we can solve these types of formula, how we can open this type of formula. For example, the formula one is we have how to expand this formula a plus b whole square. That will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. These are the sum formula, we will use it. Second one is a minus b whole square. That will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we have one more formula, that is a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b and a minus. These are the three formula right now we have. So when we apply these formula, so for example, if I take one question, that is x plus 3 whole square. Okay, so I have to solve it. As you see in the bracket, x and 3 cannot be added with each other, and there is a whole power square. So in this situation, we will apply the formula number 1, because x plus 3, this means a is x and b is 3. So I have to apply the formula. The formula says that a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is equal to x and b equal to 3. So I will write x square plus 2a will be x and b is 3, and then b square, that is 3. So the final answer will be x square plus 6x plus 9. This will be our final answer. Yes, Azan, everything is clear?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now we will see some more questions. For example, the question is expand and simplify. And the part will be x minus 2, x plus 3. Now we have to multiply these two brackets. So how we multiply brackets? X will be multiplied with both the numbers. X multiplied by x will be x square. X multiplied by 3 will be 3x. Now it's time for negative 2. Negative 2 multiplied by x will be negative 2x. Negative 2 multiplied by positive 3 will be negative 6. The final answer will be x square. We will simplify this, so it will become positive x because bigger number sign will come. So x square plus x minus 6 will be your final answer. Yes, everything is clear?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So you have idea how we can do middle term break?
Middleton break. Can you just
Remember?
explain it? Yeah, I know how
Okay,
I remember, but like I don't really remember that much.
okay. So now the topic is factorize. We have to factorize the question or simplify the question. We already know simplification. Now we will see how to factorize a middle term break. The concept is factorization, or you can say middle term break. So for example, the question is x square plus 10x plus 6. Now I have to apply, or the question will give you that factorize the following. So you can see that this is basically a quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? When the highest power is 2, that is considered the quadratic equation. Okay. This is a simple basic rule. I hope you know the quadratic. That's why I just start the questions. So basically the equation which has the highest power 2 will not considered as quadratic. So now how to apply multiple break? If there is no number, this means that there is 1. So first number will multiply with the last number. So 1 6 is 6. So we get positive 6. Now I have to identify the two numbers when I multiply. Okay, this is 16. Sorry. This is 16. This is 16, not 6. So 1 multiplied by 16 will be 16. So we got positive 16. Now I have to identify the two numbers. When I multiply, I will get positive 16. And when I add and subtract the same number, I will get this middle value, that is positive 10x.
All
Yes,
right.
Azan, remember? So
Yeah.
now we need to write down the factors of 16. We have 2 8s, 4 4s, and 116. So right now in the middle, we have to make 10. So we cannot make 10 from 4 and 4. We cannot make 10 from this. So this means that this will be the value. So I will write 2 and 8. So when I multiply 2 multiply by 8, I will get positive 16. When I plus add both the values, this means I have to give positive value to both the terms. Okay, both the value will get positive because I have to add and make a 10. So plus 2
Okay.
plus 8 will become 10. So this means that the two numbers are positive 2 and positive 8. So now we will break the middle value, that is this. So now we will write 2x plus 8x plus 16, values break. Now we will take common, x will be common, so x plus 2 will be remaining. And from these two, we have 8 common, and again we have x plus 2. Remember that when we apply the middle term break and when we take the common, so both the bracket will come the same always. So now we will write x plus 2, and in outside the bracket, we have x plus 8. So this will be your final answer. Yes, Adan, clear?
Yes.
Okay, we will do one more, a little bit different part. X square plus x minus 6. Now, again, there is no number, this means 1. So, first number will multiply with last, it will become minus 6. Now, I have to identify the two numbers. When I multiply that two numbers, it will give me negative 6. And when I subtract or add these two numbers, it will give me the middle value. Middle value is 1x. There is no coefficient, this means x is 1. Okay. So, now, the factors will be 2 3 the 6 1 6. We have just two way. So I will select 2 3 because I have to make 1 in the middle. So I write 2 here, I write 3 here. Now the most important step is which value will get which sign. Remember that the middle sign will be given to the bigger number. So I will get plus 3. Always the bigger sign will be given to the bigger number. That you identify the two number, you have to give the sign that is bigger among these two. So 3 will get positive, and for the second value you have to just use your some sense. You will give negative because you need positive. You need positive 1. So when you give positive 3 to this means that you have to give negative to 2. So now the middle value is x square. X square. What happened? X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Now I will take common from this. X will be common, so x plus 3. Now in the second, we have minus 2 as a common. When you take a negative value as a common, so this means that sign will be changed in the bracket. So sign will be changed, negative will become positive, and you can see both bracket have come the same. So this means you are doing correctly, x plus 3, and outside we have x minus 2. This will be your final answer. Yes, Azan,
All
any confusion?
no.
Okay, great. Now I'm giving you one question. Try to solve this question and tell me what is the answer.
Okay.
X square plus 2x minus 8. Try this one quickly.
Do I find the value of x or do I give an answer like the previous question, like x plus 3 and x minus
Yes,
2?
obvious. There is a different way when we have to find the value of x. I will tell you. When the equation is equal to 0, then we have to solve further. This part will be solved further, and we have to put like this: x plus 3 equal to 0, and then x will be minus 3, and then x minus 2 equal to 0, and x will be 2. This is how we can find the value of x. But we will do this when the question is equal to 0. But right now, there is no equal to 0, so this will be the final answer. Understand?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
x plus 4 and x minus 2.
X plus 4 and
X minus 2.
x plus 4 and x minus 2 x square. Okay, great. Well done. Very good. You are absolutely right. Okay. So now I hope you know how to solve this question. Now try this one. What will be the answer of this? X square minus 8x. What will be the answer of this one? 1 mark question.
Y minus 8x.
Yes?
I'm doing
Okay.
x bracket x minus 8.
Well done. Now what is the answer of this one? X square minus 9.
X minus 3 and x plus 3.
X minus 3x plus. Very good. Now try one more part. 4x square minus 25. Now try this one.
2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5.
Very good. Very good. Now, I will give you some past paper question. For example, the question is factorize completely p square q minus pq. Then we have, this is part number 1. Part 2 is 5x square plus x minus 4. And part number 3, hence solve 5x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, this is a past paper question and very important question. You will get a lot of these type of questions. Please try this one quickly.
Okay. The first one is PQ bracket P minus 1.
What is the answer? Please can repeat.
PQ bracket P minus 1.
PQ bracket P minus 1. Yes, absolutely right. Correct.
Second one is Z bracket
Second
5Z
one,
plus 1.
what?
Z bracket 5Z plus 1.
Z? What Z? X? 5x square
Oh,
plus
sorry,
x
X,
minus
X,
4.
yeah.
Yes, what is the answer? Can you please repeat?
X bracket 5X plus 1.
This is your answer. No.
Yeah.
You have to apply middle-term break in this. What are you doing? You have to apply middle-term break.
Can you
What about
explain?
-4? What happened to the -4? Apply middle-term break.
Oh, okay, I didn't see the -4. Okay, wait, let me read it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Five X minus 4, X plus 1.
This is what you get. X plus 1 and 5x. 5x square plus 5x minus 4x. And we have, okay, that's correct. What about third part? What we have to do with the third part?
Do we have to use the quadratic formula?
No, 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 no. You can solve, you already solved the second part. So you got the answer in second part, 5x minus 4. I told you, and this will be equal to 0 because the equation you can see that equal to 0. So you already solved this part by using middle term break. So this will be that 5x minus 4 and x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So you will write this separately, 4x minus 4, 5x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you have to find out the value of x. The 4 will be goes to the other side and it will be add positive and 5 will be divide. So 4 over 5 will be the final answer and x will goes to the side, it will be minus 1. So these are the two values you get, -1 and 4 over 5. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now see some more questions of past paper. For example, the question is expand and simplify. Question is 10 minus 3, 3x minus 2. And we have another question. Simplify fully. That is 3x squared plus 16x plus 5. And denominator we have 9x square minus 1. Yes, what is the answer of question 2? First, tell me the answer of question 2.
Okay, let me do it.
Then we will solve. Yes.
The first one is minus 6X plus 14.
Minus 6x plus 14. So what you have done, just multiply the minus 9x and plus 6. So how you get, I'm getting 16 minus 9x. What you have done? Yes, Adan.
Yeah.
I got 16 minus 9x.
Um, can you explain then?
Minus 3 multiplied by this to minus 9x. Minus 3 multiplied by this to positive 6x. 10 plus 6 will be 16. That's it. 16 minus 9x. What's the issue in this question?
Oh, okay.
Be
Okay, I get
careful
it. I
when you're
understand.
solving. Be careful. Now try this one quickly. In you can see that in numerator we have a quadratic form, so we will apply the middle term break. In denominator, we can use one formula that will help us. So please try this one, and I will explain you if you don't know how to solve it.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. So how we can solve this one? You have to understand this. So first, you can see in numerator, you cannot add or subtract any value in numerator. So you can clearly see that we have to apply middle term break. So 3 5s are 15. So we got positive 15. Now we need to identify the two numbers. That when we multiply, it will become positive 15, and then we add, it will become 16. So we have 15 ones are 15 ones are 15, and 15 plus 1 will be 16. So this means that I have solved the numerator. I have middle term, I have break the middle value. So this will be plus 1x plus 15x plus 15. Now in denominator, you can see that we can apply formula. Which formula I can apply in denominator? Yes, any idea?
Um, no.
I in the starting I have write down all the formulas. What about this?
Oh, yeah, right.
Okay, so you have to know these formulas. So
Can I see the formulas?
yes,
Can I see them, the formulas? Because I forgot to write them down.
okay. These three formulas will be very helpful for you.
Can I write them?
Yes, yes, quickly write it down. First, we will complete the question, then write it down. First, we have to complete
All
this
right.
question. So I have to now in I will take 3x. Oh, sorry, x will be common. So we have 3x plus 1. In this, we have what happened here? Okay, this is 5, not 15. I mistakenly right. So we have 5 common. So 3x plus 1. In denominator, I will apply the formula. So this will become a plus b and a minus b. Now we will simplify this. So we have 3x plus 1 and x plus 5. In denominator, we have 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. So these two will be cancelled out. So the final answer will be x plus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. Yes, Adan, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now write down the formulas. Okay, quickly. Done, Adan?
I'm on the last one.
Okay.
By the way, can we end the class at 8:05 because I have to go somewhere?
Okay, okay. Quickly complete this one. Then we
Yeah,
have
I'm done.
just one thing.
I'm
We have
done.
just one thing remaining, that is quadratic formula. We will
All
apply
right.
quadratic formula when there is no way of middle term breaking. So we will apply quadratic formula. So the general equation of, okay, I will share the questions. There will be a homework of past paper questions. Okay, you have to complete it. Right?
All right.
I will share it. You will get from the link. Okay, now we have a quadratic formula. So the general equation of quadratic is, we know that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And the quadratic formula is so x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2. This is the quadratic formula we have. So I will do one question. So x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So there is no way we can apply middle term break in this equation. In this, we cannot apply middle term break. It will not be solvable using middle term break form. So when these scenario we have, so we will use quadratic formula. Okay. So if we compare this equation with the general equation, so you can see that a will be equal to 1. How a will be equal to? Because there is no number written with x squared. This means there is 1. So a will be 1. Now, b will be minus 5. You have to write negative. If there is negative sign, you have to write. Most of the student made a mistake. They didn't write the negative value. And c is will be 3. So we got a, b, and c. Now we just need to put the value in this formula. b is minus 5. So I write minus 5. Again, minus 5 is square minus 4a and c divided by 2a is 1 again. Now this minus and this minus will be positive. So we get 5 plus minus, and negative 5 square is positive 25 because power is even. So negative value will become positive, and 4 ones the 4 and 4 3 the 12
Okay.
divided by 2 ones the 2. Now in bracket, in square root, we got 13. So most of the question you will get, you have to write down the answer in 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place. If you will get, you will see these types of questions. So how we can solve it? X equal to 5 plus root 13 divided by 2. And one time x equal to 5 minus root 13 divided by 2. Because you can see that there is positive, negative sign. So one time we write positive, one time we write negative. Now, how we can solve this? We will solve using calculator. So I will show you how we can solve this one using calculator. So we have done this one. So the sharing option we have. So I hope this is clear to you. There is no confusion in this.
No, I understand.
Okay, great. So now, so I hope you can see the screen.
Yeah.
Is the screen visible? You can see the calculator.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we will press this because we have a fraction 5 plus root 13 divided by 2. So I get, if I put this SD, give us points. So 4.3. So we have to write 2 decimal place if they are asking for 4.331 or 30 will be the correct answer. And now we have negative 1. So I will just change the sign, minus, and now the value is 0.69.
Okay.
Okay, it depends
All
on
right.
the condition. So yes, we have done with this concept. I hope everything is clear. I will share the more question, practice question. You have to do that question. Okay.
Okay.
So you can go now. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Allah Hafiz.